In this presentation, we'll see a compound shape using the sine rule, cosine rule, and the area of a triangle. For example, you are given this exercise and we want to find the angle PRS. In a non-right angle triangle, you need to have three values, and here we have three values in this triangle, the number 19, 23, and 11. And then you need to identify whether to use the sine rule or the cosine rule. For the sine rule, you need to have a matching pair. For the cosine rule, there are only two cases where you can use it: when there is side angle between and side, or when there are three sides. Here we have three sides, therefore we identify that we need to use the cosine rule. The formula for the cosine rule that would be given will be this one, but because the angle is the unknown, we need to rearrange this formula to make the cos A the subject of the formula. So you bring the minus 2bc cos A on the left hand side to become plus a squared. On this side you divide by 2bc and you get this formula. An easy way to remember this formula is that the side that is opposite of the angle of interest, so this number 23 is the number here that you need to subtract. So it will be 19 squared plus 11 squared minus 23 squared, which is the side opposite of the angle, divided by 2 times these two sides. You find the value of the calculator, you press shift cos, and you find the answer. Now we need to find the length of the side PQ. So the side PQ using this triangle here, you have only two values, the 47 and 19. Therefore, if you want to use this triangle, you need to gain up one more value. And we see that we can get this value by doing 180 minus that. And now we have a triangle with three informations, and you need to choose whether to use sine rule or cosine rule. Because here we have a matching pair, it's the case where we are using the sine rule. Because the side is the unknown, we prefer to start with x over sine of 83.543 is equal to 19 over sine of 47. Remember, we try to keep the unknown on the numerator. You bring the sine of 83 on this side, and then you find the answer to be 25.8. And lastly, the question is to find the area of the triangle PRS. Remember, in order to find the area of a triangle, you just need to have two sides and the angle in between. Therefore, the area of the triangle is 1/2 19 times 11 sine of 96.456, and you find the answer.